Hey girls, welcome back to the Beautyou YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Gabriella and today I'm going to be showing you guys all of the different styles of magnetic lashes that you can get from beautyouline.com. First up are our party lashes, which are great for an evening out in order to create that voluminous and full looking eye. Our baby lashes are great if you're looking to get that wispy eye look whilst having long lashes. Our elegant lashes are amazing if you're looking to enhance your natural lash line. Finally, our classy lashes are amazing if you're looking to accentuate your eye shape with a full lash. Check out our website down in the description box below so you can find out more about which lash is perfect for you. Girls, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!